think a lot of people don't enjoy cooking. It seems like a lot of work to them. It might be a daunting task. They think they have to have a lot of ingredients that go into each dish, and so a lot of people just would prefer somebody else to cook for them. The common issues people have is availability to food, the cost. A lot of people think healthier food costs more, and then just not having the knowledge of how to handle those ingredients and what to do with them. There are a lot of differences between cooking and eating packaged foods. When you're cooking, you can hold the salt, or you can use a healthier type of olive oil. Cooking for yourself just gives you ownership over what you're eating. If you can make a few small changes in your daily eating habits, I think it can make a big difference long term. Planning ahead, if you're cooking chicken, make a lot of it so then you can use it in 3 different recipes. Navigating the grocery store, learning how to read a nutrition facts label. How much sodium is in something, how much fat. I'm excited for this seminar on healthy eating, how to shop, prepare, and plan for food to increase our longevity and healthy aging.